You could just see it there dripping on the bottom of the bell housing there. So that's been accumulating for a long time. And if you look, it's on the bottom of the oil, and there is a little bit coming out. But when I look up beside the block there, it's not soaked, but it is right at that mount. And over here on the seam on this side, not quite as bad. So there's something going on up there. I just have to figure out where. So there you go, that's what seems to be leaking somewhere down there. I just got to figure out where. So, she's leaking a little oil around there, and I suspect it's coming from either around the intake or around these valve cover gaskets. So they're probably the original ones to the car from '93, so that's when the engine was taken out, or engine came from anyways, on the Corvette. Russia. Alright, should come off. Couple of taps. Gentle. Try not to get oil everywhere. Oh yeah. Well, the gasket looks actually in good shape. So here's the orange. Here is the one I took off. Nice, thick. It actually looks pretty good shape. I don't see any signs on it anywhere. Oil is leaking. Then, don't fall on the floor. This is what came, and it's not nearly as thick. I think it's made for when it's a channel. So either I put that one back on, or I go back and find something to replace that one. That looks okay. So here's a better shot of it. So I took the valve cover off just to kind of inspect it around here to see if I can see any signs of leakage or anything around here. And I can't find anything. It looks really good. Even, you know, now I can see down here in between the intake and the valve cover. Can't see anything. So, it ain't broke, don't fix it. Now we're gonna get it all back together. Just feeling all the way around. Make sure the gasket's in. Somewhere on there I might have forgotten to turn on the camera, so hopefully not. There's no seal on top of those. Anybody know what the torque is for this? I'll leave it at that. Just re-enter for a few minutes to make sure there's no oil leaks, and checked all around that, and there wasn't, so my install back in is good. So now we just got to clean her up. Let the shower begin. Wow, that was weak. I'll let it drip for a minute. It's got the weak sauce, doesn't it? Spraying it everywhere I need, but just so you guys are wondering, it doesn't look like it's the main front main seal. It looks okay. Didn't taste very good. Huh. Need a shower for this one. Oh, still looks good. The front timing cover could be suspect. Well, there you go. I got to still do an oil change on it, and let it dry here first. So do the oil change next week, and I'll give it a week to dry, and then I can see if there's any stagnant leaks anywhere, and then run it after or before I do the oil change. You need to get the oil warm, so I'll run it next weekend, get the oil warm, and then check underneath and see if we got any leaks anywhere. So that should give me a hint. So until next weekend, see ya. So there you go. Hey, Ka.
Hi. Sit good. What
Did
you got, Papa?
Did you like Christmas?
What you got? Bye.
Safety glasses should be worn. Do as I say, not as I do. Watch out incoming.
Was that 64 cents?
Here.
Yeah. So things are really affordable, and you can still
Kind of hard to watch YouTube with all this crap going on. Back to where they want stuff dripping on you. I'll show you there. New toolbox. Thanks to my daughter, my son, and my son. Works good. I had to customize the cart to make it fit under the shelves there. But anyways, any of that, it was getting pretty full.
See there, come here. No. Show everybody. What he got?
He's trying. He's in that mood where he think he's gonna go hide him.
I think he's been burying stuff all around the house.
Burying all his Christmas presents.
Boy, I think that's the best gift right there. Look at
We got the lumpiest couch ever now.
Yeah, literally.
He's burying the bone. Really? Guess we'll have it later.